Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication using what I call the lattice method. Not what I call, that's the name of it. It's called the lattice method. That's the method we're using. So for the lattice method, each digit gets its own box. Our product goes in each of these squares, and if our product is more than one digit, like each digit goes in each triangle. But without further ado, let's get into it. So it doesn't really matter which box you start with, but we'll start with the box in the lower right-hand corner. We're going to multiply 4 times 8. 4 times 8 equals 32. So 32 is the answer that goes in this square. So each digit goes in a different triangle. So the 3 goes here, the 2 goes here, 32. 4 times 2 equals 8. 5 times 8 equals 40. So we have a 4 in this triangle, 0 in this triangle, 4, 0, 40. 5 times 2 equals 10. So we have a 1 and a 0. 7 times 8 equals 56. So we have a 5 and a 6. And 7 times 2 equals 14. So now the next step is we have to add the numbers up going across the diagonal lines. So looking at the numbers within this first diagonal, all we have is a 2, so I'm going to put a 2 here. Now in between the second group of diagonal lines, we have an 8, we have a 3, and we have a 0. So we're going to add 8 plus 3. And regrouping applies. In this method, we do not regroup when it comes to the multiplication, but once we get into the adding portion of this method, we do need to regroup. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. So the 1 and 11 is going to go down here. The other one, the number 11, gets carried over. So now we're going to add 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 6. So 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0, we're still at 1, plus 4 equals 5, plus 6 equals 11. So we're going to put a 1 in this diagonal, then we have to carry another one over. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6, plus 5, 11 again. 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So now our answer, we have to look at all the numbers that are at the bottom of the diagonal lines that are outside of the square. And we got to read those digits from left to right. So we have 21,112. So we have our final answer, 754 times 28 equals 21,112. 754 times 28 equals 21,112. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there's an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.